Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Learning. So today's topic is the difference between the calibration and validation. There is a very common confusion about what is the difference between the calibration and the validation. So it is very simple. When we are talking about the calibration, so it is directly related to the instrument or any device. Okay, so the calibration is one type of the demonstration that particular instrument or a device which produce a result within specific limits. When in the calibration we are going to carry the comparison with those produced by the reference or a standard over the appropriate range of the measurement. Okay, so the calibration is the process which is related to the instrument or any device in which we are using the reference and compare our test sample. Okay, and in case of the validation, so validation is one type of the documented program. Okay, so that provide a high degree of assurance that a specific process, equipment, method or system which produce consistently a result which is meet to predefined acceptance criteria. Okay, so the validation is one type of the documented program, okay, in which it include the all the things like the process, equipment, method and all this things which produce a result which is meet with our predefined goal. Okay, so it known as the validation. So simply the calibration which is related to the particular instrument and validation is related to the particular process in which the instrument and method is also involved. Okay, so now the calibration is ensure that the instrument or a measuring device produce the accurate result. Okay, so there is main goal of the calibration, so concerning instrument and measuring device which produce the accurate result. Okay, in case of the validation which provide a documented evidence, okay, in which involve the process, equipment, method or system which produce a consistent result. Okay, so main goal of the validation is consistency. Okay, the result which is meet with a predefined criteria. Okay, so that is the goal of the validation. Now in the calibration, the performance of the instrument and device we are comparing against the reference standard. Okay, so the calibration, the reference standard is needed. Okay, so we compare the result with a reference. Okay, but in case of the validation there is no such a reference standard are used. Okay, so that is the main difference between the calibration and the validation. Okay, now another things, calibration shall be performed periodically, time to time. Okay, so identify the drift of the measuring device or the equipment and make them accurate. Okay, so we can perform the calibration periodically and we have to check the accuracy of the equipment. Okay, but in case of the validation, so there is no periodically validation is occur, shall be performed when change or any modification is happen to existing system. Okay, or once the revalidation period is reached. Okay, so calibration is calibration which is performed periodically, but validation is not performed the periodically. Okay, now another important thing is the SOP. Okay, calibration shall be performed as per the calibration SOP. Okay, we all know that all the instrument should have a appropriate SOP. Okay, so the calibration which is related to the instrument and instrument need the SOP. Okay, but the validation which is as per the validation protocol. Okay, because the validation is related to the method, related to the material. Okay, so the for the method and the method and the process, the protocol which is needed. Okay, so calibration as per the SOP, standard operating procedure, and the validation is as per the protocol. Okay, so this is the main difference between the calibration and the validation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it. Thank you.